Welcome back. Let's get you the updates on the damages left behind by landslides that have taken place after heavy rains in Parsi Colony near Babulnath area of the city of Mumbai. Earlier this morning, heavy rains battered the maximum city of Mumbai and rains led to waterlogging in several parts of the city. In fact, a major landslide was witnessed at a Parsi colony near Babulnath area. Like I just mentioned, mud and sludge entered the flat situated at the ground floor of a building after a wall collapsed because of this landslide. Luckily, there were no injuries reported. Let me go across to my colleague Disha Shah joining us live. Yes, Disha, over to you. Give us what's the ground situation after that major landslide that left major destruction and damage. A wall collapse also reported from one of the areas in Mumbai.
Well, certainly landslide, more than 18 areas waterlogged here in the city of Mumbai. Train lines and services being suspended partially. All of this has really led to the city coming to a standstill after the extremely heavy rainfall. So Tuesday all night long we witnessed the non-stop rains. Today on Wednesday as well, we are looking at least intense rainfall at isolated places here in the city of Mumbai, and the situation is this. So here we are outside Mumbai's Central Railway Station, and as you can see, both the side of the road is extremely totally waterlogged. You can see that how people are trying to, walk and go back to their homes. So this is the situation not only here, but in the other 17 to 18 low-lying areas in Mumbai, which continues to be waterlogged even as we speak. In central line areas like Matunga, Dadar, Sion, in Western, Milan subway, Andheri subway, all of these routes were shut because of heavy waterlogging. Traffic was also diverted. In terms of buses as well, most of the buses that you see broke down like this, which really caused a lot of chaos for the people as well who actually left in the morning for their work, specifically for emergency services. As you can see, so like this, many buses broke down. So public transport is also affected here, apart from road transport as well. BMC says there are about 250 plus dewatering pumps, and they have actually activated those pumps. These pumps are operational, but as and when the rainfall recedes, then only they'll be able to pump out the water very well. So right now it's been over an hour or so. We are looking at a non-stop rainfall. Most of the cars are also just stuck here because they don't know what to do, which route to really take. So this is the sort of situation here on the ground level. IMD is also predicting intense rainfall will continue likely today in the city of Mumbai.
Right. So far, Disha, we are reporting that there are no casualties, there are no untoward incidents. But like we know, every year, because of this waterlogging and, of course, if there is a manhole or a pothole, accidents have happened. What is the BMC saying about its preparedness in terms of how it plans to tackle this kind of a waterlogging situation? Because traffic will resume and then things really can get difficult.
It's an every year story, rightly pointed out, and this year also, this is perhaps not the first time that the city is witnessing extremely heavy rains plus waterlogging. In July also we saw a day, in August as well, a day we saw areas being waterlogged, and as you can see, today also in September, BMC says that of course in case of heavy rainfall they cannot really do much, but they have their dewatering pumps installed everywhere, specifically in the low-lying areas. So as and when there is water logging, once they wait for the rains to stop, and then only they actually pump out most of the water. But today the situation is such that because of the non-stop rain, they say they are not getting that opportunity to do so. But this is the lack of preparedness here that we are talking about every year that BMC talks about as far as monsoon is concerned, that they are ready with the cleaning of drains in concern. All the Mithi rivers are also clean for that matter. There will be no damage damage. There'll be no waterlogging as such, but just few hours of rain, and this is what it does to the city every year.
All right, absolutely. And let's hope that enough remedial measures are taken so that communication can be restored at the earliest. Thanks for joining us, Tisha.